look at this. This is lovely. It is very, very lovely Ludwig classic maple. FAB sizes. 22 by 14, 13 by 9, 16 by 16, and the very sexy pink oyster, vintage pink oyster. Relatively new finish. It came in to us pre-owned in absolutely tip-top condition, and we just thought we would let you see it, hear it, talk about it. Classic maple is one of Ludwig's high-end custom spec options, and it's absolutely fantastic. In the name, it's made from maple. It's a 7-ply shell, and Ludwig use a cross-laminate tension-free process. So the plies are grouped into 2 lots of 2 and a lot of 3. So the inside and outside plies of the shells are in 2s at 1.8mm thick, and the inside plies are in groups. It's in a group of 3 to make it up to 7mm. So it's 6mm, I think. Sorry, very, very lovely, very, very lovely. Let's see if you can see it. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful maple shell. I love the grain on it. It's absolutely gorgeous. It features a 45-degree bearing edge that's got a light sander on it just to sort of round it out, and it's really well cut and cleanly cut. Hopefully you could hear that in the sound, you know. Very deep, very deep. Some of the features on this particular kit has large classic lugs all over, bass drum, floor tom and rack tom. Atlas mount on the 13 for your positioning and mounting. Keystone badges, absolutely classic and classy Ludwig fare are the keystone badges. I like them way more than the blue and olive personally. I think they're very smart. If you come round to this side, Adam, you will see that it has triad floor tom brackets on it as well, for sturdy stability. They're not going anywhere, and the bass drum has elite spurs on it. All of these things you can kind of chop and change if you're customising a kit, but just as the way it is for me is perfect, because it's a little bit more durable, a little bit heavier duty, so we'll take being hit a little bit harder, because that's how these drums at these kind of sizes want to be played sometimes, you know. The toms feature coated emperors on the tops, and the regular factory heads, which I believe are ambassadors, clear ambassadors on the bottom, and the bass drum features a P3, a Ludwig branded Remo P3 clear, and so yeah, vintage claw, or the claw hooks on it. I love the inlays. I think that's a great feature. A sucker for that kind of thing on a bass drum, you know, like the natural maple hoops with the same finished inlay. I think it just adds that extra touch of class. And these drums are, you know, these kind of finishes on these drums are just sort of typical Ludwig for me. Super classy, proper throwback, and the wraps are really durable. They're really, really well made, really sort of strong gigging kit. So I'm just going to hit it again, let you hear a little bit more of it. Yeah, and I'll see you in a second. I can play this kit all day. It's fantastic fun to play. It's on the website. just north of 2-3, I think. Fantastic set of drums for the money. Real high end and real high end condition, 9 out of 10. So yeah, go on to drummersonly.co.uk and have a look. Thank you very much for watching.